So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to create and manage ads for an e-commerce store. So firstly, sign into your Google Ads account. Click Campaigns and select New Campaign. Choose a goal such as sales, leads or website traffic. Then select Search as your campaign type. Enter your website URL and give your campaign a name. Now, select the countries or regions where you sell your products and choose your target language. Then if you sell internationally, select multiple countries and all languages. Now, enter your daily budget. Choose a bidding strategy as maximize clicks, conversions, or conversion value. Now organize your products into ad groups. For example, campaign shoes, ad groups, men's shoes, women's shoes, or kids' shoes. Keeping products organized helps improve ads and performance and reporting. Now create 3 to 5 keywords for each ad group and use terms customers are already searching for. Also use Keyword Planner to find keyword ideas such search volume. Now write headlines and descriptions that highlight product benefits, discounts or free shipping, and make sure the ad links directly to the relevant product or category page. Finally, review all settings, confirm your budget and targeting, then click Publish. Your ads will begin running after approval. As simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.